wondered what it takes to truly captivate a woman, especially one with experience, wisdom, and confidence? For many, this seems like a mystery, a puzzle of emotional and physical connection that few can solve. But the truth is, knowing how to touch both her heart and mind is the secret to creating an unforgettable bond. Today, we're diving into 7 key areas that can unlock her admiration, attraction, and respect. Touches that go far beyond the physical. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just how to connect with her body, but how to inspire her deepest emotions and desires. So, if you're ready to stand out as the man she'll never forget, let's get started. And don't forget, if this content resonates with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into Stoicism, relationships, and personal growth. Let's begin. The power of the lower back. Imagine this. You're walking through a crowded space, guiding her gently with your hand on her lower back. This seemingly simple gesture carries immense power. Why? It's a subtle way of showing you're present, protective, and in control without being overbearing. The lower back is a sensitive area that conveys warmth and security when touched lightly. It's not about dominating her space, but offering silent reassurance. A touch here communicates, "I'm here for you." Whether you're helping her through a doorway or walking beside her, this touch creates an unspoken bond. The key is subtlety. Your touch should be light, intentional, and respectful. It's an artful way of building trust and connection without saying a word. Think about this in a deeper context. How often do we underestimate the power of a small gesture? In moments of stress or uncertainty, that light touch can bring her back to the present, grounding her and strengthening your bond. For example, if she's feeling overwhelmed in a social setting, your guiding touch can remind her that she's not alone. This is the essence of leading with quiet confidence, a trait every Stoic man aspires to master. The nape of the neck, a gateway to intimacy. The nape is one of the most delicate and intimate areas of a woman's body. A light caress or gentle touch here can evoke powerful emotions. Why is this area so significant? The nape is often exposed, yet rarely touched with intention, making it incredibly sensitive. By lightly running your fingertips or brushing this area during a hug or intimate moment, you communicate care and tenderness. This touch is not just physical, it's emotional. It shows that you value her vulnerability and trust. But remember, gentleness is key. A soft, almost fleeting touch is enough to awaken feelings of closeness and desire. Use this gesture sparingly, and you'll leave a lasting impression. This gesture can also be enhanced by timing. Imagine a quiet evening when she's feeling reflective or vulnerable. In such moments, a touch on the nape can feel like an unspoken acknowledgement of her emotions, a silent way of saying, "I see you, and I'm here." This ties back to Stoic ideals of empathy and understanding, connecting not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. The subtle art of touching her arm. During a deep conversation, a simple, spontaneous touch on her arm can work wonders. This gesture shows that you're engaged and emotionally present. It's a way of saying, "I'm here with you," without interrupting the flow of the moment. The arm is a neutral, yet intimate area, perfect for building connection. Whether you're emphasizing a point or sharing a laugh, this touch should feel natural and fluid. The secret lies in its spontaneity. It shouldn't feel calculated or forced. Over time, this small gesture creates a sense of familiarity and comfort, deepening your bond effortlessly. Consider this. How often do we truly listen in conversations? A touch on her arm, paired with active listening and genuine engagement, can transform a casual interaction into a meaningful connection. In Stoicism, presence is power. By being fully present in the moment, you're not just building intimacy, you're practicing a core tenet of Stoic wisdom: confidence in the waist. There's something undeniably intimate about placing your hand on her waist. It's a gesture that's both protective and affectionate, showing your confidence and care. Imagine you're dancing together, your hand gently guiding her as you move in harmony. This touch conveys security, trust, and a sense of partnership. However, it's crucial to approach this area with respect. The touch should never feel controlling or invasive. Instead, it should be light, steady, and reassuring. Whether you're guiding her through a crowd or sharing a quiet moment on the couch, a touch on the waist symbolizes connection and mutual trust. Think of this gesture as a metaphor for leadership in relationships. A Stoic man leads with strength, tempered by gentleness. Your hand on her waist is a physical manifestation of this balance, guiding without dominating, supporting without overpowering. This is the essence of being a partner she can rely on. The elegance of her hands. Holding hands may seem traditional, but it's a timeless way to create intimacy and connection. Picture this: you're sitting across from her, deeply immersed in conversation. You reach out and gently take her hand, enveloping it with warmth and care. This simple gesture speaks volumes. It shows that you're fully present, attentive, and invested in the moment. The touch should be soft yet firm, conveying both security and tenderness. Whether you're walking side by side or sharing a quiet moment, holding hands fosters a sense of unity and mutual appreciation. Hands are not just for holding, they're for expressing. A soft caress of her palm, a playful squeeze, or a gentle tracing of her fingers can add layers of meaning to a moment. These gestures communicate that you value not just her presence, but her essence. This ties into the Stoic belief in cherishing what is fleeting and appreciating every moment as it comes. The unexpected allure of the knee. Surprised, the knee is an often overlooked area that can create intimacy when approached with care. Imagine you're sitting together, perhaps watching a movie or enjoying a conversation. A light touch on her knee signals closeness and comfort without being intrusive. It's a way of grounding the moment, showing that you're connected and engaged. This touch should be brief and gentle, emphasizing emotional connection over physical intention. When done right, it creates a subtle yet powerful sense of intimacy that brings you closer together. Think of this as a gesture of reassurance. A light touch on her knee can say, "I'm here and I understand." It's a nonverbal way of offering comfort and solidarity. In a world where words can often fail, a touch like this speaks directly to the heart. The sensitivity of the wrist. The wrist is one of the most delicate and romantic areas of the body. A soft touch here, or even a gentle kiss, can evoke a sense of sensuality and admiration. Imagine lifting her hand to your lips and placing a light, affectionate kiss on her inner wrist. This gesture feels personal, elegant, and deeply intimate. The wrist's sensitivity makes it a perfect spot for creating a moment that feels like a shared secret. Keep the touch gentle and fleeting, suggesting deeper intimacy, while respecting boundaries. This subtle act can leave a lasting impression, making her feel cherished and desired. The wrist also symbolizes vulnerability. It's where the pulse beats strongest, a reminder of life's fragility. By touching or kissing her wrist, you're acknowledging this vulnerability and showing that you respect and honor it. This is the Stoic way, to approach with reverence and to connect on a level that transcends the physical. Each of these touches is more than a physical gesture. It's a way of communicating respect, care, and emotional connection. But remember, the key to mastering this art is authenticity. Your intentions must be genuine, and your actions should align with the values of respect and self-control taught by Stoicism. Now let's hear from you. Which of these gestures do you think is the most powerful? Or do you have your own techniques for building connection and intimacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Together, we'll continue exploring the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its practical applications for mastering relationships and life.